Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add multiple photo widgets in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to add multiple photo widgets, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply keep a long press on empty place anywhere on your home screen, and here just tap on edit option in the top left, then select add widget, and now very first you can do one more thing to select your photos first. So open your Photos app, go to collections, select albums, and here just tap on the plus option in the top right to create a new album. Just select new album here, and you just have to select a new album or you can name it. So let's say I have given this name. Now tap on add photos, and here you have to simply add photos if you want to add into widget. So let's say I'm going to select these two photos here. Once you have added, tap on the button option, then tap on create. Now your album has been created. Go back. Keep a long press on an empty place. Select edit. Tap on add widget. Select Photos app. You can directly search for Photos app here. Once you get photos, tap on it, and here you just have to scroll until you find album. Once I select and find album, just tap on add widget here. Or you can also scroll to select any shape. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Just tap on add widget option. Now your widget has been successfully added. You just have to tap on this root option and then select the album which we have just created. Tap on that. Once you have selected, tap on an empty place and your widget will be added. So in this way, you can add multiple widgets but using the same method. Just keep a long press on an empty place, tap on edit, and here select add widget. Select your Photos app. Let's say I'm going to select this type photos here. So once you have selected the Photos app, you just have to select add widget, and here just select choose, select any album from here. Let's say I'm going to select this album, tap on an empty place, and it will be done. So in this way you can easily add multiple photo widgets in your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.